In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone 6, 6X or 6X Plus talk in headphone mode. So if while using headphone, you discover that your iPhone 6 or 6 series talk in the headphone mode, so that you see the headphone mode on the screen and you could not remove it, even when you remove the headphone from the jack, then this video is going to show you how to fix this. So basically, this is one of the problems you fix on your iPhone 6. So this might be another problem, and you might be battling with this for over a period of time and you're unable to fix this. But here I have fixed this on my iPhone 6X Plus, and the headphone mode that was stuck on the home screen is no longer fixable and it has gone, and now I can hear my iPhone 6 when it is ringing or while or not on the headphone mode. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Literally, when you're having issue with your headphone mode, then your iPhone is referring to the headphone jack here, and this is where you need to focus your attention on when you're trying to fix this problem on your iPhone 6, 6X and 6X Plus. Now the first thing to do is you need to get an absorbent curtain like this. So this is what you just need to get first, because you need to clean the headphone jack on your iPhone 6 here. You need to clean it. Maybe it contains some debris or that is stuck in the headphone jack, so you need to clean it. Just get an absorbent curtain like this. So just tilt the head like this to make it flexible so that it can just go into the headphone jack. Then do it like this and clean the headphone jack on your iPhone 6. So you may want to remove some excesses, then dip it into the headphone jack like this, then clean the headphone jack. You see that? So you may want to clean the headphone jack. You can see there are quite some debris in headphone jack. If you focus really well on this, then repeat this using multiple curtain, and it has to be an absorbent curtain to clean the headphone jack. Then do it gently. Wow, you see that? You see how dirty the headphone jack is? So because the headphone jack is dirty, you can make the iPhone to stuck on headphone mode. So even when you are not using headphone on it, so when you clean this thoroughly, just clean it very well. Then go ahead and see whether your iPhone is still stuck on the headphone mode. So if it is still stuck on the headphone mode, there is another thing you need to do quickly to fix this. All you just need to do now is press the home button together and then the side button. Go ahead, press the two buttons together for couples of seconds until your iPhone is powered up. Just keep holding it until the Apple logo comes up again. And once you see the Apple logo, then let's go both buttons, that is the home button as well as the side button on your iPhone 6. Then this is going to force restart your iPhone 6 and clear all possible glitches that is causing the iPhone mode to stuck on your iPhone screen. So, and this could help you remove the stuck iPhone mode on your iPhone 6. Then after booting successfully, then this should fix the issue with the headphone jack or headphone mode on your iPhone 6. Then go ahead, type in your passcode. If after this is still not fixed and you are watching this video in 2024, there's something you need to check out right now. Just go to your iPhone settings. Then on the settings page, scroll down, click on general. Now tap software update. Then here you let your iPhone 6, 6X or 6 Plus search for available network update. You can see I am running on the latest iOS 15.8.3. If you are not running on the latest iOS 15.8.3, you need to download and install the latest update right now. This is going to help you to fix your iPhone stock on headphone mode. Then after that, this is not the last approach, but this might not work for most of you users. Then all you just need to do is come here, come to sound, then come to sound and vibration patterns, then click on ringtone. Then on the ringtone, switch between each of these ringtones. Then while switching, use the volume button consecutively. And if it says your iPhone is on silent mode, then go ahead and disable the silent mode. So silent mode off. So switch between the ringtones and then adjust the volume up button and then volume down button. So after that, you are good to go. So this will help you fix your iPhone stock on headphone mode. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.